This model is HHLC80. Power comes out to 111. Input current 30. Let's see the structure. This model whole size length 1280 millimeters, diameter 80 millimeters. If you use our model HHLC80 before, you can see this one without the screws here. The only difference is that we optimized the 4 screws, but the whole make process, the technology and adjust methods are all the same. There's no any change, only the structure. This little different change. We keep the original output power and the perfect beam. Let's share with you the beam test. Please check the laser beam. 打一下光斑，谢谢。谢谢。See the beam? Perfect.